Hello again, it's Faye from Faye's Journal Emporium, and I wanted to share a couple of little books that I've made to hold my all my labels. And again, this idea came from Wendy's Journal Adventure, and she does have a video on this. And I just had the most fun doing this. This one's from a vintage book, and I put all my botanical themed, sorry for the glare, tags or labels in here, and most of these are Tracy Fox labels. This was a lot of fun to make. Use cardstock for the signature pages, and then you can use vellum or acetate, and I used acetate in this one. And as I said, lots of fun to make. And then the second one, I couldn't resist. This was a Reader's Digest cover, and the spine on both of these books was long gone, so I had to remake the spines. And I did this one, and this was for my numerical, all my number labels, and then this labels that have words on them. So I made this one too. And I did want to mention that I will put the link to it, and I'm not trying to steal Wendy's thunder by any means. But if something like this would interest you, I'm not going to do a video on it because she's done it. But I was thinking about making a few of these from the, come on, Faye, from the Reader's Digest books, and making these up. And there's 8, 2, 3, 4, yeah, there's 8 pages, so there's 16 pages where you can put your labels. If that seems like something that you would be interested in my doing and putting in my shop, please let me know in the comments below this video, and I will do so. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a good day.